Justin in the Kitchen with me, your host Justine. I'm here with just a quick video. It is an old-fashioned macaroni salad. This is what I grew up on. I didn't know there were any others. You know I had a quite provincial palate when I was younger. This is all I knew. So here we go. I have a pound of cooked just elbow macaroni. So this one is not al dente. This is a cooked pasta. I don't do it al dente like the spaghetti or anything like that. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. 6 ingredients and salt and pepper. That's it. So easy. There's onion, and I'm using red because I thought it was pretty. We used to use yellow. Green pepper. You could do red pepper if you wanted, but I had enough of that and I needed green to represent. Tomatoes, and I do want the juice in there. I have cucumbers. We used to use regular because we didn't have the English, but I prefer English. Do whatever you want. And then a blast from the past, Miracle Whip. Who has used Miracle Whip in forever? And it even has on the back, Grandma's Reinvented Potato Salad. For this, you don't use mayonnaise, you use Miracle Whip. I've seen all kinds of where, oh, you use some sugar and you use some mayonnaise and you use some Dijon and this and that. Nope, just plain old Miracle Whip. And guess what? It's a salad you dump. That's all you do. Just put everything in and then you put in, and I'll put in, when I do the recipe, I will put in exactly what the measurement is, but it's really to your taste. If you like less onion, you put in less onion. If you don't like green pepper, put in red pepper because they're more to your liking and your palate. There we go. All right, so this is really a big bowl, but it is not big enough for this. All right, we're gonna have to be very careful on the mixing. And then you take about a cup to a cup and a half of Miracle Whip. That's it. And you just stir it. You mix it all up. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And if you say you don't like Miracle Whip, what happens is some of the sweetness as it sits and marries in together, some of the sweetness goes away on the Miracle Whip, which I really like the sweetness when I was a kid, and I kept, you didn't put Miracle Whip in it, you put mayonnaise. But they put Miracle Whip. And then all you do, just stir it very carefully. This recipe was at every picnic we had. It was at every Easter. And then on Christmas Eve, we had ham, potato salad, macaroni salad. So we had it like holidays. It was just a staple. Let me taste to see what it tastes like. It has enough seasoning. I want to get a little of everything. Makes me think of Easters with bonnets and corsages. Oh my gosh. This is so delicious. Like I said, if you like it a little bit more, you can add more. I added about a cup and a third. But you can add more or less. Oh, this is delicious. So, for this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com. And thank you for everybody. I mean, it's starting to grow. YouTube is starting to get some people. Thank you very much for all the love you've given me, and I'll give you all the love back you need. I just really appreciate it. So, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Make comments down below so I know what you're wanting coming up, okay? And then I will make it for you. Maybe I'll even invite you over to the house. All right, thank you very much. God bless. Bye-bye.